Okay, this is your consolation prize po. Thank you so much and please hold this cup. And what is your name, ate?
Princess.
The princess, this is your consolation prize. Thank you so much po. And please hold this cup po, kuya. You may now sit na po, the princess. Okay, listen kids, be ready again in 3, 2, 1, press it. Ayan. Let's go.
Iikot-ikot mo para makita yung mga tao ba?
Let's go, faster. Ayun si ate. Okay, what is your name? Ikaw po yung last touch. Sorry po. Okay, this is your consolation prize. Count one. Thank you so much. You may now sit. At nakanino po yung isang cup? Sino po yung last touch? Si baby boy. What is your name, baby boy? Ayun, okay. This is your consolation prize. Okay. Pero po ang cup. Okay, thank you po. Okay, please hold this cup. Okay, kids, be ready. On the count in 3, 2, 1, pass it. Let's go. Good, hindi nga. Ay, si Kuya. Hindi nga. Okay, what is your name? Okay, this is your consolation prize po. Thank you so much. Okay, you may now sit na po. Please hold this cup, ate. Okay. Nakakanino po yung isang cup na kay baby girl. What is your name? Okay, this is your consolation prize po. Thank you so much. Okay, please hold this cup again. Okay, I'll make you in 3, 2, 1, press it. Let's go, press it. Press it, kids. Press it po. Press it natin yung gato. Bawal mo yung gato. Go, press it. Oops. Okay, what is your name? Ate Dana, this is your consolation prize. And what is your name po? Maduga si Kuya, no? Okay, binabato niya sa'yo. Okay, thank you so much, bro. Okay, be ready, kids. On the count in 3, 2, 1, pass it. Let's go. Ayan, bawal po natin ibato. Pass the cup properly po. Dito po po ibabato ate. Dito po muna. Ayan. What is your name? Okay, this is your consolation prize po. Thank you so much. Okay. Lagi kang ligtas ah. Okay. Ano pong pangalan po? This is your consolation prize. Thank you so much. Okay. Please hold this cup. Okay, be ready, kids. On the cue again in 3, 2, 1, pass it. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na.
Diluwat talaga, diluwat
Ayun na, this your name?
Ayong talo, diluwat
Ito yung Lucas, this is your cancellation prize. Thank you so much. Nakain na po yung isang kapital po may hawak. Okay, tatlo na lang po kayo. Dito po. Okay, for this time, isang cup na lang po yung gagamitin natin. Okay. Be ready. Army Q in 3, 2, 1, press it.